Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X7b, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see right over here. Find the little insert area, and then push the pin in, which will make the tray pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for either two different SIM cards, so you'd place one on its dedicated spot and then the other one sideways on the SD tray. Just to kind of demonstrate this, that's how the card would go. Now I'm going to be using one of each, so I will just shift it over to its dedicated spot and then put my SD card on this next spot. From there, you can insert the tray back into your device. Now you want to be a bit careful with it. There is nothing holding those cards in place, so they could come out loose. If the tray isn't going in there, don't try to force it in. Just make sure that all the cards are still in the correct place. Anyway, once you insert the tray, these cards should start working right away. As you can see, it is telling me to put in my SIM card pin. Oops. There we go. So the SIM card is working, and let's see if we have anything about the SD card. Nothing in here. There we go. As you can see, it is also being detected. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.